Hello, welcome to your fun Igbo lesson. Today we learn objects in Igbo. Let's go! This object is called a chair. In Igbo, it is oche. Repeat after me. Oche. Again, oche. This is opoga. Opoga. Again, opoga. Nke a bụ akwụkwọ. This one is akwụkwọ. Say it again. Akwụkwọ. Good job. Nke a bụrụ mkpịsị odee. This one is mkpịsị odee. Say it one more time. Mkpịsị odee. Nice one. Nke a bụrụ akpa. Say it. Akpa. This is bag for carrying things. Akpa. This one is iko. Cup. Iko. Say it again. Iko. You were very natural. Good job. Kaburu ngaji. Say it. Ngaji. One more time. Ngaji. To fill your stomach, you need a plate. In Igbo, a plate is called efere. Efere. Say it again. Efere. Every household needs a door. In Igbo, a door is called ozo. Again, ozo. One last time. Ozo. Good job. To retire for the day, we need a bed. In Igbo, it is called akwa. Say it one more time. Aqua. Again, aqua. For ventilation, a house needs windows. In Igbo, it is called mbupu. Say it again. Mbupu. One more time.